What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be building this fire pit Big Country's way. Let's get to it. Alright, so I got my ring put down after I scraped all this loose topsoil off. I leveled it out with the level. It didn't have to be perfect right now, but I wanted it to be level to the hard dirt underneath to try to eliminate any movement in the future. I put my ring down, I put sand down around it. That way I'm gonna use that sand. I wanted to know where I needed to put it. I'm gonna use that sand to beat the blocks level once I put them in place. So yeah, let's get to it. I just put the ring in there and I just give them a little kick, just like that. Kind of try to tighten them up. I had to remove some sand from the inside. Doesn't look too off. I'm gonna hit it with the level and see if I want to change any of the block heights, but honestly, it looks pretty good. This ain't by the book by any means. This is just Big Country's way. It's hard to level this because of the humps on the top of the stones, but I just kind of eyeballed it, added dirt to the back or the front, depending on what it looked like it needed. It looks pretty good to me. The black thing fits in there pretty snug. So just remember, this is the most important level. You get this right, the rest of your stonework is going to be pretty easy. Alright, so I got all this put on here. Just a little price breakdown for you guys. All the stone was just under $100 and that was $122. So they make a kit that's like $270 or $280, and it comes with 3 layers. But if you buy your own stone and you put the caps on it instead of 3 layers of that, you'll save like, shoot, 50 bucks just by picking up all the stone yourself. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turning out. Let's get this ring put in here. And then I'm gonna split some firewood and have me a fire tonight. Happy New Year's to me. This wood's been sitting for a bit, but let's split it up and get her burning. Well guys, that'll about wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this fire pit. If you have it in your heart, like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you a dime. Big Country out.